So that's a ticket. Just got off the phone with their lawyer. It's a 5-point ticket. Right after I got the ticket, I received a video of a woman explaining that we shouldn't care about the small stuff in life because life is very short. So I'm taking her advice and I'm moving on. So the positive in this whole thing is, did you see the time lapse before? Amazing. That was my first time lapse that I did. It came out good. Again, thank you for watching. Vigi out.